In today's world, there's really two ways that people make parts in the composites world from a thermoset perspective. One is open molding, and the second is infusion process. Using a silicone bag has a lot of benefits. One of the most important things, I think, is our customers' employees. With a silicone bag, you can actually walk away because it's automated and there's no styrene exposure, there's no stuck resin to your skin or fiberglass. That's a great environment for your employees to work in. In addition to that, one of the benefits that our customers get is consistent parts. Their parts weigh the same within a very small tolerance every time. They know exactly how much their part's going to cost, and then it's reusable. And we have customers that have already had well over 1,000 pulls on a part. It's very simple, very efficient.
CHT's vacuum bagging materials, they're optimized for their physical properties, solvent resistance, styrene resistance. If you think about solvent resistance, why it's important is if you think of the casting resins in liquid form, they're really a solvent. If you can have some solvent resistance, you get better mold life out of your materials, better productivity for our customers. With better physical properties, you don't have the same failures, at least not as quickly as some of our competitive materials. Sustainability is our #1 goal. We're looking at being carbon neutral by 2045. So we have an all-encompassing approach to sustainability, and we will gladly share that with our customer base.
CHT has been a great partner for Superior. They're always there for us. We've had a great partnership with them and with our customers.
Looking at next generation vacuum bagging materials, or even custom vacuum bagging materials for our customers, we have the opportunity to pull from a broad chemical toolbox, and we really like to partner with our customers over the years, where we're on our 5th, our 8th, our 12th generation product with our customers, because we're not just here for today, we're trying to partner. We want to understand where you're going in 5, 10, 15 years, where your technology is going to be, and how can we help you get there. We have a lot of customization opportunities, and so come talk to us. We can certainly help you get where you need to be.